my dear friends and viewers, I'm Javed Alam with one more lecture in class 10th of subject history. Today's topic is what's Common Law. Actually, Common Law was started by the British government in 19th century. First and foremost, we will know the words Common Law. Common Law means that this law was made by the government of Britain to restrict the import of corn in Britain. Once again I will repeat it. ये जो कॉर्न लॉ था, जो ब्रिटेन गवर्नमेंट थी, इसने पूरा रिस्ट्रिक्ट किया था, बैन लगाई थी कि इंपोर्ट ऑफ कॉर्न इन ब्रिटेन. दिस इज नोन एज कॉर्न लॉ. द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ ब्रिटेन was increased dramatically, and what happened is the agricultural products increased, the prices of the agricultural products increased, which pressurized the government that to eliminate this corn law in Britain. Landowners, other peoples have pressurized the government to eliminate, to restrict this import of corn law in Britain. Corn law, what were the effects of a corn law? It has badly affected each and everything in Britain. First, and we will check it. What was the effect of a corn law in Britain? The high prices were seen there. This is why the government were forced to eliminate the corn law. Industrialists, urban dwellers, and other urban people, they pressurized the government because there was high prices. They pressurized the government to eliminate this corn law in Britain. One more important effect of this corn law was that around the world, in Eastern Europe, we can say Australia, Russia, other countries of the world, more and more land was cleared because to cultivate more food grains for Britain. Because the population of the Britain was increased very fast, that's why it affected badly the rest of the world as well. Food prices and consumption in Britain was very much increased when corn law was eliminated. कि मेरे कहने का मतलब है कि कॉर्न लॉ से क्या इफेक्ट्स हुए. कॉर्न लॉ से कि आपको पता कि हाई प्राइसेस थे और ऑलरेडी बाकी कंट्रीज ने ये डिसाइड किया हम एलिमिनेट करेंगे दिस कॉर्न लॉ. और बाकी कंट्रीज खासतौर ऑस्ट्रेलिया, रशिया या बाकी इवन यूरोप, ईस्टर्न यूरोप, वहां पे लोगों ने क्या किया, इन कंट्रीज ने क्या किया, दे हैव क्लियर्ड, उन लोगों ने डिफॉरेस्टेशन स्टार्ट की. दे क्लियर्ड मच मोर लैंड so that we will cultivate more food grains for Britain. And food prices जो थे तो वो तो हमेशा के लिए increase होते जा रहे थे ब्रिटेन में. और after the elimination of corn law, what happens in Britain? Food could be imported into Britain at a cheap rates. They were thinking it. Whenever there would be no more a corn law, जब corn law खत्म हो जाएगा तो जो ब्रिटेन के जो लोग थे वो सोच रहे थे, उनका मोटिव था, उनका गोल था कि after this elimination of this law, after elimination of corn law, what will happen? जो वहां पे food could be imported into Britain at cheap rates, क्योंकि वहां पे ऑलरेडी ये बहुत ज्यादा there was high prices already. It's all about this topic. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में एक और टॉपिक के साथ हम जुड़ जाएंगे.